Hello. Yeah. Hi, Janvi. I'm Tarini. You look absolutely gorgeous today.
Thank you. Hi.
Since you've traveled the world so much and you've traveled a lot with your family, what is one destination you'd give to every Indian family that they should go and visit this summer?
Did you say this summer?
Yeah.
This summer, I don't know, because every place in the world is seeming like they're going through their own sort of weather, like hazardous weather turmoil. But one place that I would encourage everyone to go, and I think this is a very predictable answer coming from me, is Tirupati. Because it's just, I mean, I need to go once every couple of months to just center myself to, it just feels great. I feel like myself every time I go. I think it humbles you. It makes you feel calm. It makes you feel connected to something bigger than yourself. And I think for me, it also reminds me of my roots in many ways. So, and if not Tirupati, I think whichever place makes you feel like you're more connected to your roots. I think it's so important to know where you come from, what your ancestral heritage is. I think it, in a way, encourages you to get to know yourself better and therefore deal with the world in a calmer, healthier way. So yeah, that helps me, and I would encourage everyone else to hopefully adapt a similar outlook.
Hello. Hi, my name is Muskan.
Hi, Muskan. Oh, one of my best friend's names is Muskan.
Oh, that's so cute. I just want to know that in your house that we were just shown, do you think there will be some sort of spiritual connect because we see you being on this spiritual journey? So do you think we will feel those vibes when we are hopefully there? And any memory you have in that house?
100%. I think we've made a lot of great memories there, so I definitely think there's a very positive energy in the house. And so many times I've seen the most beautiful sunsets in that house. Like, I'm not lying, the sky, there's a gazebo, I don't know if they showed it to you in the video.
They did.
That overlooks the beach, and the sky has literally turned like blue and pink and purple so many times, and you just sit in that gazebo and it's beautiful. And I remember we've spent a lot of mom's birthdays there, my birthday, dad's birthday. In fact, towards the end of it, we couldn't really spend as much time there because we had to refurbish the house. And so mom was thinking of doing a lot of things. She wanted to make it a hotel, and she wanted to, and that's why I think the fact that Airbnb came into our lives was, I think it was always part of a plan. And then dad redid the whole house after she passed. And then we went back after a couple of years. And of course, we were all dealing with all of it still at that point. But I remember when we went back, after Papa did up the whole house again, redid it, as an ode to mom, I remember he kept saying, I need to do it for her, I need to do it for her. And then when he did up the whole house, and I think we brought in his birthday there, and it was the first time I think he tried celebrating his birthday after she passed. I have this vivid memory that after 2-3 years, it was the first time I saw my dad allowing himself to start enjoying himself again, or to like start feeling happy again. And I think that is one of my most vivid memories in this house as well, because I think I saw my dad trying to come back to himself a little bit after this tragedy. And I think all of the amazing memories that we've had in that house encouraged him and allowed him to do that. So yeah, I definitely think it's got a good energy.
Thank you for sharing that. Like, I feel so grateful you're sharing that with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
ఇప్పుడు ఆపరేషన్ లేకుండానే మోకాళ్లకు ప్లాస్మా ట్రీట్మెంట్. మీ ఆర్థోపెడిక్ సమస్యలన్నిటికీ రోబోటిక్ టెక్నాలజీ ద్వారా తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో శాశ్వత పరిష్కారం. ఫ్రీ కన్సల్టేషన్. ప్రతి ట్రీట్మెంట్ పై 20% డిస్కౌంట్. ఈ ఆఫర్ కొద్ది రోజులు మాత్రమే. త్వరపడండి. V9 హాస్పిటల్స్ 9281 465 842.